Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV, welcome. Check it out. It's early morning. It's like 5:30 a.m. in Wendover. We're on the Nevada side. Wasn't that air museum cool? Anyway, I'm gonna run up here real quick before we leave town. We're gonna check out Wendover Will. The nice lady at the campground, there he is, says you gotta see it all lit up. You can't appreciate it till you see it with all the neon going. So I got up early and guess what? There he is. There's Wendover Will. All lit up. Isn't that cool? You can probably see it from the Highway 80, I bet. Look at the nose. Oh my goodness. That is too cool for school, huh? Okay, let's hit the road. We're out of here. Alright, we're looking for Highway 93. It's called Alternate 93. It'll connect us down with actual Highway 93. And here it is. Gonna be making a right here. This is also part of the Lincoln Highway. And we got, what's the sign say? Just a little over 100 miles down to Ely. We're going to spend a couple days down in Ely. We're going to spend the night down there. Supposed to have some cool museums. Anyway, it's kind of dark to film. Camera's going to fade out, so when the sun starts coming up, I'll kick the cameras back on. And good morning. We're still on alternate Highway 93. Gonna connect up here shortly with US 93. Look how wide open. Just flat as a pancake right between the mountains, and we're up in elevation. You talk about snow. They get snow here. Alright, here's our intersection now. Go up to the right. Now, I always drove down this way on 93 itself. Make a right there, you go up to Wells, Nevada, and Interstate 80. And I think that truck stop has been closed a long time. There is a rest area right up the road. We're going to stop. It's supposed to have a bunch of storyboards, so we'll check that out. Here it is. Let's stop a second. We'll see what the storyboards say. And it's going to be one warm day. It's already heating up. Sun's barely up. Okay, what do we got? Gateway to the Goshoot Nation. Okay, we are there. There's Ely. Looks like it goes between Utah and Nevada. Lincoln Highway, here we go. Famous. Ooh, look at the markers. We got to be looking for those. All the old cars that ran through here. Construction began in 1913. All the way across the U.S., huh? There we are. Plus, from Ely, you know what that is. That's the loneliest highway in America. We're going to take that too. We got lots of miles yet and lots of video to shoot. And it's all part of the Lincoln Highway. Cool. Ooh, Pony Express ran through here. Look at this. Huh. But they set that up and only ran it a year or something. Then the trains took it over, huh? Delivering mail. This is a really nice little rest area. Here's one of their Nevada boards. Kind of hard to read. But the town that was here, Stagecoach, Stage Canyon. Wow, sorry, that's hard. A lot of the letters are missing. Anyway, it's old. Pony Express, Stagecoach, Lincoln Highway. You know, this area, Wendover, all of it is just so full of so much different history through all the decades and generations. And here's one of those Lincoln Highway markers. There's old Lincoln himself. Hey, they got a really nice Pony Express statue out here. Let's check it. Watch out for rattlesnakes. They are out. But look at this sculpture out in the middle of nowhere. Get away from the sun here. There you go. Delivering the mail. What's this one? Oh, look at the horsies. Strength and endurance. Yeah, they ran a bunch of them, didn't they? Have to read up a little bit more on that. Speedy Riders. Could imagine being part of that. And the crowds cheer you on. People line the road. Here comes the mail. What was it? It only ran a year or so. But look at their route. We're standing in it. They ran right through here. Cool. But talk about no one's out here except us. Trucks. Now way out, look at that, there's some green grass. They probably got farms and ranches, I'm sure. Cattle. I'm sure they got water here. But as far as you can see, and I think our elevation, we're good 6,000 feet. So it gets packed full of snow. To be part of the Lincoln Highway, Pony Express, all of it. It all kind of intersected right through here. Too cool. All right, let's keep trucking. All right, next stop, a little town called Mcgill. You can definitely boondock out in some of these areas. I've talked to people that have before. all around Ely. The loneliest highway along Highway 50, loneliest highway in America. Okay, looks like people. I see greenery, see trees. This must be the big town of Mcgill. And here you go. This is Smalltown Nevada right here. Isn't this something? It's pretty early morning, everything's kind of closed up. Got land for sale here. Look at this old building, huh? Probably an old schoolhouse or something. All boarded up. Hey, we're in Nevada. Casinos. Casinos everywhere. Mining was big here, I bet. There's gold in them hills. Okay, here you go. Here's downtown Mcgill. Old brick buildings. There's the Mcgill Club. The Mcgill Theater. Hey, Mcgill Cafe. That's it. Look how close the houses are right to the road. They just kept widening the road. Back in the day, that's probably just a small 2-lane road. There's the Victory Club. Looks like a church. Ice cream shop, all closed up. Mcgill, Nevada, small town, USA, right here on the Lincoln Highway. Too cool. All right, we're not that far from Ely, just a few more miles. Car wash all closed down. I am really looking forward to exploring this area. And to drive that loneliest highway in America again. That's going to be cool. We're going to have a good trip across there. There's the Ely Airport. So we're getting close. Here we are. Welcome to Ely, Nevada. Still kind of early yet. I need to grab some fuel somewhere. Mobile homes everywhere. There's a VFW. What's this up here? Looks like, ooh, we're in Nevada. Here's our first casino since we left Wendover. Oh, the casinos in Wendover, there was quite a few. That was quite a bit. Gonna be a big railroad museum in here somewhere. Looks like all the motels and everything. Finally, diesel under $5 by a penny. Yeah. What a summer with all that. That really changed travel plans, that's for sure. All kinds of businesses here. Food store, hardware stores. There's a sign for the Railroad Museum. We'll check that. Okay, well, basically it's too early to do anything yet. I'm gonna go get some fuel, take a break for a little bit. Next video, we're gonna explore this cool old historic town, Ely, Nevada. Journey continues. Talk soon.